Let me show you how we can eject SIM tray and insert a SIM card into Motorola Moto G56. So in order to find the SIM tray, we need to take a look at the left side of the phone, because over here we have our SIM tray. Now in order to open the SIM tray, we need to prepare the eject tool that we can find inside the box. Put it into this hole over here and then use a little bit of force in order to make the SIM tray pop out. So it looks like this. Now with your fingernails you should be able to remove the SIM tray. There we go. And this is how it looks like. So over here, for example, in the European version, we can insert our SIM card over here into this place. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna match the shape. So it should look like this. There we go. It should go in really easily. It should not stick out. And then once we put it in, you should be able to just slide it back in. Over here we can also read which side is the top side or the front. Over here at the top of the SIM tray we can read that this is the side up. So we're gonna put it back in like this. There we go. Just slide it in and use the fingers in order to make sure that it is fully in, it doesn't stick out or anything. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.